I'm going to show you how to make easy roasted red peppers. You can use regular bell peppers or capsicum, or you can use poblanos, red horn, any kind of sweet pepper for this recipe. They are very versatile. You can use them in a variety of dishes and super easy to make. Let's go.
First, we're going to cut the peppers in halves and remove the core and the seeds. Make sure to preheat the oven and line a flat baking tray with some parchment paper. Peppers will release a lot of juice while roasting and they will get caramelized and can burn quite easily.
The peppers are roasted. The hack is to leave these in the oven for about 10 minutes with the heat off, and basically they will steam and the skin is going to peel off very easily. So now we're going to peel them all.
Allow them to cool slightly because they're very hot straight out of the oven.
And these are the roasted peppers. Once you've peeled them, you can pretty much eat them. They're super sweet, a little tangy, very silky. Store them in a container as is, or you can make them into strips or dice them. And if you drizzle them with some olive oil, they will keep much longer. I'm going to show you how to make a little zhuzh that goes on top, which is kind of like a pickling dressing, and it makes them even more delicious.
This is kind of an adaptation of a method that my mom uses for roasted peppers, and it's a combination of garlic, olive oil, red wine vinegar, and a little bit of salt. And this dressing is tangy, a little bit sharp, aromatic from the garlic, and the olive oil helps to preserve the roasted peppers. And they will keep for about 2 weeks in the refrigerator.
These are peppers with the zhuzh on top. So good. Once you try making them this way, that's it.